Hey you guys. Literally me. I'm Buddy. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. Hello. I am so glad to be making this video because I cannot wait to return this shit. I have been targeted by yet another brand on my social media, feeding me ads in my Instagram stories of like, hey, buy this thing, it's amazing. I am talking about the Shapermint ads. So this is a company that is kind of selling everyday casual shapewear. It's for women like me who have a little bit of like pudge and want to wear something like day to day that kind of like holds in and like supports. So I thought this was going to be great because one, I hate wearing bras and they had been advertising this cami as a wire-free support, no bra needed, sucky in type tank top. I'm wearing it right now. It still has the tags on it because it will be going back. So if you guys haven't seen this yet, I'm gonna scooch over here and I'm just gonna play you the little Instagram story videos, one of them, just so that you can see what I'm talking about.
The benefits and solutions of this shaping cami are endless. You can wear it with anything and look and feel amazing. The fit is incredible. It has a panel in the center to give you a really nice hourglass shape. From the side, you can see my belly, my back, everything is just so smooth and pretty. It has wire-free support, and I love that the straps are adjustable. Now this is an amazing piece of clothing.
Sounds like something I'd be into for sure because I love just throwing on a tank top and like going about my business. And I hate wearing bras with tank tops for several reasons. One is you can see the strap underneath the tank top strap. Two, when I wear a bra, I get extra bulges and folds, especially on my back when I wear a tank top. So I thought a shaper tank top with wire-free support where I didn't have to wear a bra would be fantastic. Man, I was scammed. I'm sorry, Shapermint, but these are just being advertised as something that they are not. So let's kind of run through my experience real quick. First, when researching this product and pricing it, I did see that it is available on Amazon. So that should have been the first red flag that I could order it on Amazon with Prime shipping. However, they were offering a discount code for, you know, some sort of holiday or whatever, and I was actually able to get the tanks cheaper on their website. So that's what I did. Second, they took 2 months to ship it to me. Now, granted, they did send 2 follow-up emails after I placed my order that they were severely sorry that it was taking too long to process and they were overwhelmed with orders, and then they were so sorry that they actually ended up in the mail, sent me a $30 coupon apologizing that it was taking so long to get here, which I was like, oh, okay, cool. When I get these things, if I like them, I will sure use a $30 coupon. The arrival. If we talk about what we just saw in the promo video, that woman received a really nice box with her one little cami in it. I ordered 2 camis, black and white, and I got like a Shein bag. Just saying. As far as the packaging goes, they did send a little sticker sheet, which is kind of cute because, you know, it's like body love and stuff. I'm all into that. And then the camis came in 2 little bags, which funnily enough, don't even say Shapermint. Let's talk about the product themselves. They are advertised as wire-free support, tummy control, hourglass shape, fixes bulges, stays put all day. I can't think of one of those things that's actually true. I am so sorry. I am not shitting on this at all. I wanted to like these. I really, really, really did. Let me talk about the white one first. The reason I got a white one is because, oh my gosh, I would love to wear a white tank top with no bra, and so that it's like clean and streamlined and I can throw on a pair of leggings or whatever it is. When I opened this up, I was like, there's no way I'm gonna be able to wear this without a bra. This thing is like, it's so see-through that when I actually tried it on, my nipples were totally out there and you can see my tattoos through it. So I did order the size that they indicated on the size chart because you go by your measurements and then they're like, order one size up because it's like really compressed. So I got a large because that would normally be a medium. So I bought a large. The tummy control panel is literally just, it's just a different type of stitching. It's not even stitching. It's like, so it's not separate or anything. It's like, you know how like when you get athletic clothes, they have those like mesh panels for like breathing. That's what it is. It's not actually like a shaper panel. Smooths all day. Okay, well, first of all, I feel like I have to keep picking this thing up every 2 seconds. My husband had to put the adjustable straps on the highest that it could go because I just felt like it was just like falling down like all day. And I also feel like I have to keep pulling my boobs up. It's like no support in there whatsoever. And I have very small boobs. So the fact that I feel like they're being smooshed down, not a fan. Now I am going to shift the camera a little bit so that you can see this thing actually on, and let's look at the claims they make about the bulging and the staying put and all of that. So hold please. Okay, so here's the full view. Yeah, so one of the claims is that it holds in and smooths everything out. As you can see, I feel like it is not doing that. It does make the sound that they claim in the video, but I feel like in certain areas it's pushing and pulling and like, it's just not giving me that compression that they promise in the ads. And I feel like I have to keep pulling everything up. Staying put, because they claim that it stays put all day. You're not having to pull it down. Lies. Just from me sitting in the chair doing the first part of this video, it has rolled up all the way to here. Now, if I pull it all the way down, like they show in the, sorry, really not trying to be like this, but it goes all the way down. Like it goes really low. And it was like up to here, like by rolling up. Now, because it goes so low, I feel like the options of wearing this are limited. Like with it going all the way down, like below my crotch, am I gonna be able to wear a pair of leggings or a pair of tight jeans or even like a tight skirt? Because I feel like it's gonna be, oh, sorry. I feel like I have to keep lifting up because then there's going to be like seams and stuff showing. So I don't feel like it's a universal, like you can wear this with anything type tank. I feel like my back, like I don't feel like I'm getting the full smoothness right here. You know what I mean? Like I feel like I'm still showing bulges. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I feel like I'm still showing bulges. Not like that woman in the video. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go put a bra on underneath this, and then we're gonna see if it like, you know, has more bulging out on the sides. So hold please. Okay, I'm back. So I put a black bra on. First thing, I hate that you can see 2 sets of straps. Whole reason why I bought this in the first place. I feel like this is even more uncomfortable now that I have a second band underneath, so I'm not really thrilled about that. I feel like it made even worse hourglass shape, if you get what I'm saying. I don't know. And as far as the side and back go, I do feel like I have another layer here to be rolled. Definitely would not wear this. I would not wear this. Like, I'm sending it back. Like, I would just not wear this. It's uncomfortable. By the way, do not try and take this thing off over your head. You have to step into it, and then when you take it off, you have to like make it go down. Just FYI, if you happen to try this, I'm sorry. And also make sure you step into it and pull it up. Do not put it over your head because you just like won't be able to get it off. But I am just not, I'm not impressed. I don't think that I have that bad of a shape of body for something like this, especially like, I don't know. I'll meet you back at the desk. All right, so that's that. I'm severely disappointed, guys. Like, I wanted to like this, but look how see-through it is. Do you see that? Like, I also think it's funny that the woman in the video, when she has the white one on, she has to wear a jacket underneath and it's just covering, like, come on, guys. Actually, shame on me for buying into it. My husband says that I'm really bad at this. And I mean, like, I'm a sucker, you know, like, what can you say? I ended up emailing them with the subject line of false advertising, and I told them everything that I felt about the product. And I did get an automated email that said, here's how to start your return. That's what I will be doing today. I will send both of these back and get my, I can't even tell you. I think I paid like $48 total for all of this stuff. Totally not worth it. Send me the $48 back. I will find something way better to spend that on. So, oh my gosh, this has just been a shitstorm. Anyway, guys, if you could like this video, it really does help me out. If you could subscribe so you can follow all of my shopping antics, good and bad, that would be awesomer. That's all I have for you today, guys. I will see you on the next one.